Imagine you're on the job. Maybe it's a construction site with cranes swinging overhead or a factory buzzing with machines. You're in the thick of it, and then bam, something goes wrong. A fall, a fire, a spill. My stomach drops just thinking about it, because I've seen how fast things can spiral. But here's the good news. That's where HSE comes in. Health, safety, and environment. And it's your ticket to keeping those nightmares at bay. Today, I'm kicking off this series with a crash course on what HSE is all about. Stick with me, because this could be the start of something huge for you. Hey, welcome to HSE Mastery USA. I'm beyond pumped to have you here. This is where we're breaking down everything you need to know about safety from the ground up. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. We're about to take you from rookie to rockstar in the world of health, safety, and environment. Today's episode, it's the foundation. What is HSE, why it's a big deal in the USA, and how it touches every single one of us. Let's dive in. I'm itching to get you started. So what's HSE? It's three little letters that pack a massive punch. Health, that's keeping you and your crew fit, not just physically, but mentally too. Safety, that's dodging the dangers like falls or machine mishaps that could ruin your day or your life. Environment, that's making sure the air's clean, the water's safe, and the planet doesn't hate us for doing our jobs. I love this stuff because it's about real people. You, me, the guy next to you, and keeping us all in one piece. Why does this hit me so hard? Because the stakes are insane. In the USA, over 5,000 workers die every year on the job. Construction guys falling, factory workers caught in gear. It's a gut punch every time I hear it. Millions more get hurt, and that's not even counting the spills and pollution that mess up our world. But HSE, it's our fight back. It's the rules, the tools, the mindset that says, we can do better, I will do better. Let's break it down quick. How does HSE work in real life? It's everywhere. If you're wearing a hard hat, that's HSE, keeping your skull safe. If your boss runs a safety drill, that's HSE, making sure you're ready. If there's a no smoking sign near fuel tanks, that's HSE stopping a fireball. It's backed up by OSHA, the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, our big safety watchdog in the US. They set the rules like no shortcuts on scaffolding, and they mean business. Fines and shutdowns if you don't play ball. I've got a story that lights me up. A buddy of mine, Jake, works in a warehouse. One day, a forklift tipped because nobody checked the load. Jake was fine, but it was a wake-up call. Now he's all about HSE, spotting risks, speaking up. That's the power I'm talking about. It's not just a job, it's a mission. Here's why I'm yelling about this from the rooftops. HSE isn't some boring paperwork. It's your lifeline. It's why you get home to your family, why your workplace doesn't turn into a war zone. In the US, it's the law. OSHA's got teeth, and companies feel it if they slack. But when you get it right, oh man, it's a rush. Safer crews, cleaner sites, and that feeling of knowing you're part of something bigger. All right, I need you in this. What's one safety thing you've noticed at work? A close call? A win? Drop it in the comments. I'm dying to hear. And if this sparks something in you, share it with your crew. Let's get everyone on board. So that's HSE in a nutshell. Health, safety, environment. Your crash course to kicking off this series. I'm so stoked you're here. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications because we're building this from the ground up, USA style. Next up, why safety matters. The shocking stats you can't ignore. Don't miss it. Check out HSE study in below for more. I've got your back. Catch you in the next one.